noise, and it's a silly story. It's a silly story about a little old man, and he is so silly. He thinks he has a problem, but he doesn't have a problem at all, does he? We'll find out. Well, a long time ago, there lived an old man named Peter, and he lived in an old house. The bed, the floor, outside the wind blew the leaves through the trees, and the leaves fell on the ground. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
Peter went to the wise woman of the village. Peter went to the wise woman of the village.
What can I do? My house makes too much noise. My bed creaks, my floor squeaks. The wind blows the leaves through the trees. Swish, swish. My tea kettle whistles. Hiss, hiss. I can help you. I know what you can do. What? Get a cow. What good is a cow?
But Peter got a cow anyhow. And all day long the cow said,
Moo, moo.
the bed, the floor, the leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Still too noisy.
And he went back to the wise woman.
Get a donkey. What good is a donkey?
But Peter got a donkey anyhow. And the donkey said,
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
the cow said,
Boo, boo.
the bed, the floor, the leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
And he went back to the wise woman.
Get a sheep. What good is a sheep?
But Peter got a sheep anyhow. And the sheep said,
Bah, bah.
the donkey said,
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
the cow said,
Boo, boo.
the bed, the floor, the leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
Peter went back to the wise woman.
Get a hen. What good is a hen?
But Peter got a hen anyhow. And the hen said, the sheep said,
Bah, bah.
the donkey said,
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
the cow said,
Moo, moo.
the bed, the floor, the leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
He went back to the wise woman.
Get a dog and a cat. What good is a dog and a cat?
But Peter got a dog and a cat anyhow. And the dog said, the cat said, the hen said,
Look.
sheep said, the donkey said,
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
the cow said,
Moo, moo.
the bed, the floor, the leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled. Together they sounded like this. Now Peter was angry. He went back to the wise woman.
I told you my house was too noisy. I told you my bed creaks, my floor squeaks. The wind blows the leaves through the trees, swish, swish. My tea kettle whistles, hiss, hiss. You told me get a cow. All day long goes hee-haw. Moo, moo. You told me get a donkey. All day long goes hee-haw, hee-haw. You told me get a sheep. All day long goes bah, bah. You told me get a hen. All day long goes cluck, cluck. You told me to get a dog and a cat. All day long they both go meet the donkey go. Let the sheep go. Let the hen go. Let the doggy and the cat go.
So Peter let the cow go. He let the donkey go. He let the sheep, the hen, the dog, and the cat go. Now, no cow said, "Moo, moo." No donkey said,
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
the sheep said,
Bah, bah.
no hen said, no dog said, no cat said. The bed,
Oh, what a quiet noise.
the floor,
Oh, what a quiet noise.
outside the leaves fell on the roof. Inside the tea kettle whistled.
What a quiet, how quiet my house is.
And Peter got into his bed and went to sleep and dreamed a very quiet dream.